Hi, I'm Tina from BrandsGateway, and I will show you how to import products to your store. I will also give you some practical tips at the end so you can take advantage of all the BrandsGateway perks and get the most out of your subscription. So first, to give you an overview, you have the filters on the left where you can filter products based on different parameters. I recommend starting with filters like gender, condition, and categories. Then you will need to click on Apply Filters to see which plan you fit in based on your selection here. You can play around with other filters like pick specific brands, discount percentage, and so on. Just make sure to click Apply Filters to refresh your product count. You have a preview here of the products that are selected, and if there's something you wish to exclude, you can just click on the X, and here you can view your excluded products in case you change your mind or want to make revisions. And this is where you can see the plans as well as which one is recommended based on your current selection. Now you can activate any plan here, even if its limit is lower than your product selection. But if you activate a plan with a lower limit, for example, in this case, Grow, the additional 1,068 products that are over your plan's limit will be removed by the system at random. If you want control over your selection, this isn't ideal, but you can always edit and update your product selection later or even upgrade or downgrade. However, here's an important tip. If you want a faster import and you're thinking about signing up for the highest plan, Enterprise, which has an unlimited number of products available, I recommend you simply import all the products from the start and remove the categories you don't want later. The reason is that Shopify's import speed is 20 times faster on the first import than later imports. So you will save yourself a lot of time and can start selling faster if you simply import all the products initially. Now let's talk about which plan is recommended for you based on your experience, goals, and current sales. If you're a beginner, I strongly recommend starting with the Grow or the Scale plan. The Scale plan is a better deal, giving you access to 5,000 products, which is 5 times more than the Grow plan. While the price difference is not significant, it gives you access to just enough products to set up a brand new store, test which categories convert for you, and switch them out if needed over time. Also, you get a shipping discount, personal account manager, and many other perks which are not included in the Grow plan. Now, if you're actively generating sales on your online store and just want to boost sales by adding more high margin products to your store, the best plan for you is definitely the Enterprise, as it provides the most flexibility, access to your entire catalog, and unlocks all additional perks. Also, you always have the option to choose monthly or annual billing with each one of the plans. And if you choose annual, you do end up getting greater savings when you break down the cost month to month. Regardless of which subscription you choose, after you activate it, you will receive tutorials, guides, and everything else you need to set up a successful and profitable store. If you're still not sure which plan is right for you, or you have any questions regarding the product importer, feel free to reach out to us by contacting us here, or you can also contact us at app.brandsgateway.com on the Contact Us page. We're happy to help you get started and make the right choice for you.